the series individual sequence 14, 62, 81, 19. Assume that pandas PD.
Okay. Donna, read the answer.
Import pandas as PD.
Okay.
S1 is equal to
S1 is
PD
equal
dot
to
series
PD dot series.
bracket 14, 62, 81, 19.
Okay.
Then print S1.
Print S1. Okay. Hannah, what is the output?
14, 62, 81, 19. Then the index value 0, 1, 2, 3. D type
D type.
in 64.
Correct. The output is the index value is 0, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And the data value is 14, 15, that value in that question. Okay. Is it clear? That series creation using different values. It's a 2-mark question. Okay. Write a program to create a series using either you can use normal values or we can use string values or character values or float values. You have to write the output also. Okay. Then so many methods are there for creating a series. The first method we discussed using list. That is the first method. I will give another question based on string. Try the first question. Write a program to create a series object using a string. So funny. Write a program, create a series object using a string. So funny. Assume that pandas is imported as alias name PD. Nevin, Evelyn, switch on the video. Okay. Okay, Lydia, what is the first statement?
Import pandas as
Import
PD.
pandas as PD. import pandas as PD. For every series creation program, the first statement is import pandas as PD. Okay, for every creation of series. If you are using any method, the first statement is same for all the methods. The first statement is import pandas as PD. The meaning of this statement is we are importing pandas module from the Python's library and we are giving another name PD for this pandas. That is the meaning of the statement. Then what is the next statement? Anjo,
S1 is equal
S1 is equal to
PD dot series
PD dot series
open bracket
within open bracket within double quotes, right?
so
So funny. Okay. Then next statement it is print S1. Okay. What will be the output, Muhammad? Muhammad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the output? How many strings are
So
there?
funny.
So funny is the single string. Okay. So the index value is 0 output. Index value is 0 and the data value is so funny. Only one row is there because only one string is there. So the data value is so funny and there is only one value. So the starting index value, it is 0. So we are giving 0 here and the string data value, it is so funny. Then what is the D type?
Object.
Object, correct. This is the answer. Okay. Here we have to take care of the series. S is capital letter. Okay. S is capital letter. So always you write like this. S-E-R-I-E-S. S is capital. Okay. Then you wrote the second question based on I am laughing. Got it? Question. Write the last question. Write a program to create a series object using 3 different words. I am laughing. I am laughing. Assume that pandas is imported as alias name PD. Sharat, Sana, switch on the video. Pavitra, Sana, switch on the video. Pavitra? Why you are absent in the previous class, Pavitra?
Ma'am, I was not.
Mhm. Monday's class. Pavitra, switch on the video. Vidur completed? Sharath, read the answer.
Import pandas as PD.
Is import pandas as PD.
S1 is equal to PD. C is bracket, square bracket, I,
S1
comma,
is equal to PD dot
C is
series within bracket.
then
Is
square
it a square
bracket.
bracket?
Yes.
Yes.
Then I, comma, am, comma, laughing.
Is it a square bracket? Sharath?
No, ma'am.
Ah, it's not a square bracket. It is normal bracket. Okay. Series within bracket I. Three different words. In the previous question, it's a single word. Here it is three different words. So I am laughing. Then Sharath, print S1.
S1.
Neha, what is the output?
1 is equal output. 1 is
Output.
equal to I.
Neha, read the output. Okay.
0
0
equal to I.
I. Okay. Along with 0, we are using I. Then 1
1 and
am 2
2 laughing.
laughing. Then next step. Sana, what is the next value? You have to write the D type. What is the D type here, Sana? If you are using character or string, you just check the notebook, data type section. If you are using a string or a character, we are using D type as Anthony.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is the D type here?
These type.
Elvina.
As
Ah, okay. What is the D
in
type?
string.
String.
Ma'am, which one you are asking?
Here, what is the D type here? In this question, what is the D type here?
Integer.
Elvina.
Object.
Object. You just check the data types I am given in the previous class. Okay. So here we are using I am laughing. means it's a string, it's a set of strings. So if we are using integer values here, the data type is int64. Means if we are giving 1, 2, 3 like values, the D type is int64. If we are giving 1.1, 2.1, 3.2 fractional values, the D type is float64. Okay, if you are giving point values, then the D type it is float64. And if you are giving a character or a string, then it is object. Is it clear, Anthony?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the series creation using list. Then write the next heading. Okay. Write the heading. Create a series using two different lists. Create a series using two different lists. Create a series using two different lists. Any doubt regarding the series creation using list? Any doubt? Anyone? Is it clear? Okay. Then create a series using two different lists. In the previous case, we are creating a series with one argument. Okay. We are creating a list using one argument, means S1 is equal to PD dot series within bracket 1, 2, 3. This is only one argument. This is the set of values we are using. Here we are using a single list. A single list is used here. Okay. In the previous answer, that square bracket is missing. I think so. In that previous question, S1 is equal to, it is correct. Series within bracket, within square bracket, you want to write I am laughing. Okay. Just correct it. The second last question also, the square bracket is missing, I think so. Just check it. Donna, corrected?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in normal series creation, we are using a single argument. So here I'm using a single list. Means only one argument is there. What is the argument? Values used in a function is known as argument. So here I'm using only one argument. So the output is 1, 2, 3, and the index value is the default index value, that is 0, 1, 2. We are not giving a particular index value in this statement. In this statement, we are giving only data value. Index value here it is default index value, that is 0, 1, 2. That's why we are using only one argument with this series function. Here we are giving only data values. No index values are used here. In this statement, we are using only one argument. Then next we are studying about a series creation using two arguments or two different lists. Okay. So we are giving index value at the same time data value with the series function. In the first statement, we are giving only data value. We are not giving any index value. But in this statement, in this creation of series, we are using two arguments. The first one is for index representation and the second one is for data value representation. Is it clear, Evelyn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what is the first statement? For every series creation, the first statement is import pandas as PD. Pandas P is small letter, series S is capital letter. Okay. Pandas as PD. Then I will create one index as month. Month is equal to okay, print this one. So the first statement is import. All of you switch on the video. Okay. So the first statement is import pandas as PD. We are just access this pandas module from Python's library and we rename the pandas as PD. After that, I use two lists. Our heading is create a series using two different lists. So first I create a list named month and the content is a set of strings, that is January, February, March. And the next one is the date one. It is a set of integers, that is 31, 28, 30. And for creating the series, S1 is equal to pd.series. Here, the value is this 31, 28, 30. I want to display data value as 31, 28, 30. And the index value is January, February, March. Okay, that is the question. I want to display index value as January, February, March and date value as 31, 28, data value as 31, 28, 30. For that, we are using two arguments, pd.series, date 1. What is date 1? Date 1, it is 31, 28, 30. And index is equal to month. Index is equal to month means index is assigned with value January, February, March. Okay. Here we are giving index value. In the previous question, we are not giving index value. We are just giving some set of values as data value. Here we are giving data value at the same time index value. For that purpose, we are using two arguments here. First, write the data value. Here, the data value is 31, 28, 30, which is stored in the list date 1. So, write this date 1 here. Otherwise, we can write this value. But it is easy to write date 1. That's why I'm just write date 1. First, I assign these values to a variable date 1. And I'm giving these string values to month. And I write date 1, comma, index is equal to month. We assign index value with the values in the month. So the index value of the index value becomes Jan, Feb, March. Is it clear, Hannah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then print S1. What will be the output? What is the index, Amal? What is the index? Index is month. What is month? Month it is Jan, Feb, March. Okay. Index is month. Month is assigned to index. So the value of index is month. What is month? Month it is Jan, Feb, March. Okay. So the output in the section of index, it is Jan, Feb, March. Anthony, what is the data value here? Neha, Anjo, Muhammad, Anthony, switch on the videos. Anthony, okay. What is the output data value?
Yeah. Ma'am, the data type.
Data value?
Ma'am, data type for
No. What is D type? Here I am asking about data value, the second column in the output section.
date.
Yes, it is date 1. Date 1. What is the content of date 1? It is 31, 28, and 30. So here it is 31, 28, and 30. Sana, what is the D type here? What is the D type?
Ind 64.
Sana, speak louder.
Ind 64.
Yes, correct, in 64, because we are using integer values here. What is the data values here? 31, 28, 30 means it is integer values. So the data type it is int 64. Okay. So I will explain once again. Our question is to create a series using two different lists. Our first section is based on single argument. We are not giving index value. We are just giving a set of integer value or a set of float value or a set of character value or a set of string values. We are not giving index value. At that time that the system takes default value, default index value as index. But here we are giving data value and index value. That is series using creation of series using two different lists. So first we have to create two lists. This is the list creation statement. So first I will write the statement import pandas as PD. After that, month is equal to Jan. First, I will create one list. First list, the name of that first list is month. And I'm giving the values Jan, Feb, and March for month. Then, date 1, second list, that is 31, 28, 30. Here we are using list. That's why here square bracket. For representing a list, we are using square bracket. Okay, so first list is month. It is based on string values. It is for index representation. Then second list is date 1. It is based on integer value, that is 31, 28, and 30. Then we have to assign these values to the series creation function. So for that, S1 is equal to pd.series. First write the data value. Here we are using data value as date 1. So write date 1. The next is we have to assign index. Index is equal to month. So month is assigned to index. What is the content of month? Content of month is Jan, Feb and March. So these three values are assigned to index. Then after that I print this as 1. So the result is index is month. So Jan, Feb, March. It will display like this. After that it will display date 1. What is date 1? The content of date 1 is 20, 31, 28 and 30. It will display like this. Then D type. D type is based on the date 1 type. Here date 1 values are all integers. So the D type it is in 64. Is it clear, Muhammad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then I want to display the output like this. That is 31, 28, 30, Jan, Feb, March. Grishma, how we change this program?
S1 equal to PD series month, comma, index equal to date one.
Grishma, I can't hear you.
S1 equal to PD,
S1 is equal to
PD dot series
PD dot series.
month, comma, index equal to date one.
Yes, correct. I want to change this 28, comma 30. I want to display like this. That is index is 31, 28, 30 and data value it is Jan, Feb, March. For that, we just interchange the list. Okay. First, we have to display that data value. Data value it is Jan, Feb, March. Jan, Feb, March is stored in the list month. So first write month. Always first write the data value. Okay. Here I want to write the data value as Jan, Feb, month. Jan, Feb, March. Jan, Feb, March is stored in the list month. So write month here. Then what is the index value? It is 31, 28 and 30 which is stored in date 1. Okay. So index is equal to date 1. Here what is the D type? D type it is object because we are using string here. Okay. Any doubt regarding this creation of series? Evelyn, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write the next question. Okay, this is already. Write the question. Create a series from two different lists. So you have to check the question. Okay. It is from a single argument or from a single list or from two different lists. Okay. Here the question is create a series from two different lists. The first list is the index value list. The values are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Data values are 1, 2, 3, 4. Anthony? Anthony, you completed? Pavitra? Completed. Sharath, what is the first statement?
Import pan speed.
Import pandas are speedy. Then next statement,
Day equal to
day is equal to
square brackets.
within square bracket Monday. Either you can use single quotes or double quotes. Okay. Monday, Tuesday.
Wednesday,
TUES is there. I don't know. ES is there not. TUE or ES. You just write like a question. Okay. Then Wednesday. Then Thursday. Okay. Then Meghna, second statement, third statement.
Date 1 equal to
Date 1 is equal to
square bracket 1
okay.
comma 2 comma 3
1
comma 4.
comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Pavitra,
Close
next statement.
S1 equal to PD.
S1 is equal to PD dot Anthony. S1 is equal to PD dot
PD dot series.
series.
Date 1, comma,
Date 1.
index 1.
Index value is which one?
Month,
Index value is
sorry, day.
index value is Monday, Tuesday, isn't it?
Day.
Read the question, Anthony. Index value is read the question.
Ma'am, I didn't wrote the question.
You will write.
Question.
And Joe. And Joe, which one is the index value in that question? Which one is the index value? Monday, Tuesday. Okay. Anthony, complete the question answer. Date 1, comma.
2, 3, 4.
Date 1, comma. Anthony, the concept is clear?
Ma'am, I didn't understand. No, I didn't actually understand the question.
Okay. Index is equal to. And Joe, complete the statement.
Index is equal to day.
Day. Correct. So the next one is print S1. Our question is create a series using two different lists. I'm giving index values as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So first create a list. We can give any name here. Either you can give L1, L2 or day 1, day 2, any name. Here we are giving day. This is for index value representation. In that question, clearly it explains what are the main index values. So day is equal to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then date 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then S1 is equal to PD dot series date 1, comma index is equal to day. I will explain this answer the next class. Let's take the attendance. And Joe is present. Abdul Krishna, absent. Basil absent. Anna is there. Muhammad, Pavitra, Sharat, Adi is absent. Donna, Evelyn is present. Lydia, Meenakshi, Nevin, absent. Vidur, Anthony, Amal K. Saji is absent. Amal Raj is present. Grishma, Raina is there. Okay. Sana, Meghna, Ashish is there? No. Ashish? No. Elvina. Okay. We'll continue in the next class. Okay. Thank you.